This shit right here for my oodles and noodles babies. His mom was smoking crack while she was pregnant, so he can't even help that he crazy. He going to jail, it's inevitable. For real. Ain't had nobody to give me no hope. I hope my mama ain't doing no coke. I used to wish that my daddy was living. I had a dream that I seen him a ghost. I used to act up when I went to school. Thought it was cool, but I really was hurt. Wanted my family to cut in my games. My mama couldn't make it cause she was at work. Remember my grandma, she took me to church. Really, no, I ain't wanna go. Remember I kissed my aunt in the casket and her forehead was cold. I was like 4 years old. We couldn't afford no clothes. It was hand-me-down. Who would think a nigga get a Grammy now? Got a black judge trying to tear me down. All this jail time probably wear me down. Turn the lights off in the bathroom, screaming bloody, bloody, bloody Mary now. Having nightmares about Candyman with the tool on me like a handyman. Killed my little cousin, I'm like damn it, man. Had to see the footage on the cameraman. On the pavement with his brains out. With the white sheet, he was laid out. Wanna ask Shay, is this a choice? It was like this when I came out. What the fuck is you really complaining about? I know niggas that's never gonna make it out. This that shit you won't see in the media. Poor get poor and the rich getting greedier. A lot of daddies gon' back and forth out of jail, a lot of sons growing up and repeating them. Just the belly the beast, you won't make it out. Man, this shit was designed to eat us up. And my mama told me, nigga, keep it up. You gon' end up in prison just sleeping up. Remember, nobody never believed in us. When they see us now, they can't believe it's us. No. I think it's funny how we used to go to school, play Segas, and then next thing you know, you run around with Glock 40s. We ain't never believe in the police. They was shooting us. Yeah. They called it the projects, they put us in projects. What they gon' do with us, can't call the cops yet. You might just pop that, cause they the one shooting us. I'm on my mom's steps, it's like a bomb threat. The violence pursuing us, I ain't be God yet. Cause I'm on a block where it's just me and Lucifer. Look what they do to us, they know we in poverty. When I went to court, the judge said, make you a menace to society. You said you give me a chance, your honor, why would you lie to me? 16 more years of probation, you know you gon' get some more time on me. Whole hood going crazy. Babies having babies. She was 14, acting like she 80. Got pregnant by a nigga that was locked up in them cages. And the story goes on. If you make it, you amazing. What up?